Welcome to the project demonstration of advanced blind stick with RF remote. So here we are going to achieving the obstacle detection with help of ultrasonic sensor SR04 we mounted here, and also RF remote, so which is powered with 9 volts battery connector. So here we interface this input modules of SR04 and RF remote to the PIC16F72 microcontroller. So here the ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the obstacles which is less than 30 centimeters, and this RF remote, whenever the blind person forgot his stick and while he is going for any toilet or something, so this remote is going to be with the person only. So when he press this switch, automatically the beep sound will be coming from this blind stick so that he can find his blind stick, and so the so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen. So in this project, the LCD purpose is for only demonstration purpose. In real time, no need of this LCD module. And here the LCD module interface with the connections of B2 to B7 and A0 A1 for the ultrasonic sensor, and RF remote for the B0, and a buzzer at C4 along with the LED also. So coming to this motherboard, so we are using the 16F72 PIC microcontroller motherboard. On this, this is the reset switch, and this one is a crystal oscillator which will provide the 20 MHz of oscillator frequency, and red color LED is a power LED indication, and green color is a programming indication. So as we can see that whenever the obstacle is detected, then automatically the light and the buzzer both will be on at a time. And from here we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply. And for this RF, so we are using 433 MHz frequency operated RF module. So these two red color are the RF, this one is RF receiver, and this one is the same 433 MHz RF transmitter, and this is the encoder IC, and this is the decoder IC. So the IC is HT1210E. So this HT12E is encoder IC, and HT12D is a decoder IC, and the data which is transmitted after encoded will be transmitted through this RF module, this transmitter. Same data will be received by the RF receiver, and the data will be decoded by this HT12D, and the same data will be given as input to the B0 pin of our PIC microcontroller. So whenever we receive the data from this RF remote, the buzzer will be beeps, and obstacle detected continuous buzzer. So if there is no obstacle and there is nothing, so just to inform to the blind person, the beep will be coming out from the buzzer, just the system is working as a heartbeat. So initially the welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. So only the distance will be displayed on the LCD continuously. For every 1 second it blinks, nothing but the person has to know that the blind stick is working. If is there any malfunction is going on, then the buzzer will not give the beeps. So whenever the obstacle is near to this, then automatically the buzzer is continuously on. So that is distance from the obstacle to the SR04 is 30 centimeters. When it is below 30 centimeters, we can see the obstacle alert on the LCD as well as the buzzer alert. And if the person forgot his blind stick, then when he press this switch, like this, the beep sound is coming from this buzzer board. So coming to this buzzer, we are making use of piezo buzzer with transistor of BC547, as the microcontroller doesn't provide the sufficient current to on this buzzer. So that's why we are making use of a BC547 transistor. So the microcontroller will switch on the transistor, and the transistor will switch on the buzzer. So this is the input modules to the output module. So the whole system was mounted on this blind stick. Okay, so whenever it is beeps coming out of the buzzer edge, and also RF remote. So there are two different beeps provided for the buzzer as well as ultrasonic sensor. Right. Thank you.